Hello, welcome to our channel Nature Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving headfirst into the mesmerizing world of rattlesnakes, where danger and fascination intertwine in a venomous dance. Ever wondered how these serpents create that iconic rattle sound? Stick around, because we've got some amazing insights to share. But before we get into the secrets of their rattle, let's take a moment to appreciate these incredible creatures for what they are. An essential part of our ecosystem, and perhaps one of nature's most striking warning signs. Isn't it fascinating how evolution has equipped them with both a venomous bite and an unmistakable auditory warning? Let's jump right into it and explore the mesmerizing world of rattlesnakes. Rattlesnakes belong to the pit viper family and are renowned for their distinct triangular heads, venomous fangs, and of course, that signature rattle. They are widely found in the Americas, and their venomous bite is something to be cautious about. But what's truly remarkable is how they use their venom, not just for hunting but as a defensive mechanism to ward off potential threats. In a way, their venom is a biological alarm system. The venom is a powerful cocktail of enzymes and toxins that immobilize and begin digesting their prey. As a warning, rattlesnakes save this precious venom for actual threats, as producing more can be energetically costly. This makes their rattle all the more crucial in communicating. Now, here's the question on everyone's mind: how exactly do rattlesnakes produce that mysterious and iconic rattle? To find the answer, we need to look at their tail. The rattle is made up of a series of interlocking segments. These segments are actually modified scales made of keratin, the same stuff that makes up our hair and nails. When a rattlesnake vibrates its tail rapidly, the segments collide, creating the distinctive rattling sound. It's like Mother Nature's own percussion instrument. But did you know that rattlesnakes shed their skins, including these rattle segments, regularly? As they grow, they add new segments to their rattles. This is a cool way to estimate a rattlesnake's age, but it's also a testament to their adaptability. Beyond being a warning sign, the rattle also serves as a unique form of communication among rattlesnakes themselves. It's like their own secret language. Rattlesnakes may use their rattle to signal dominance, courtship, or even as a way to mediate disputes. So, the rattle isn't just about, stay away, it's about, I'm here, let's talk. Understanding the subtleties of this communication is part of what makes the world of rattlesnakes so captivating. And for researchers, decoding this language is a never-ending quest. Understanding the subtleties of this communication is part of what makes the world of rattlesnakes so captivating. And for researchers, decoding this language is a never-ending quest. It's a reminder that our natural world is full of wonders and surprises, and we must cherish and protect these incredible species for generations to come. So, the next time you hear that ominous rattle, remember that it's more than just a warning. It's an invitation to appreciate the intricate beauty of nature's creations. Thanks for joining us today on this thrilling journey into the world of rattlesnakes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow nature enthusiasts. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring.